Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. Today I can proudly show you the latest addition to my collection. It's a 1972 Suzuki GT 750J. It's a J model, the early ones, and it's finished in candy jackal blue. Absolutely awesome bike. It's been fully restored to Concours condition. It was a 2-year rebuild. Everything was done on it, everything re-chromed. And if you know these bikes, you will understand that it's a very early one. You can tell by all the rubbers on the carbs is bolted direct to the engine. It's just a beautiful thing. I actually love these. I had one before in candy lavender. I quite like this blue. Very nice. It's got the twin leading front shoe brake drum on the front, all highly polished. Just look at that. It's gorgeous quality. I haven't fired it up today. It's absolutely stone cold. Here we go. You can see it is freezing today. That is cold. So I will fire it up shortly and show you. Yeah, the attention to detail is just amazing. I love this colour. Let's get that out of the way. And it's covered 974 miles since the rebuild. I've checked all the MOT slips and it really does mount up to be, well, to be exact. Everywhere you look, it's just lovely. I have spent 2 days detailing it because it was in storage and it hasn't really had much use. I've got a complete photographic evidence of the restoration, and it was an absolute mess, to be honest, but everything was done using the original parts, all stripped and re-chromed and then rebuilt. The engine was also done, new crank seals, etc, etc. It just goes on, you know what it's like. I have bills of over £10,000 on this, just purely for all the parts, the engine and the restoration, to be honest, and that didn't include the bike. So there we go. People do spend a fortune on these, on the restoration. If I can open this one-handed, I'll be, oh, there we go. That's just lovely under there. It's nice to see that. The quality, I don't know who chromed this. I think there is an invoice somewhere, but it's just beautiful. It's got a brand new battery. Yeah, it's lovely everywhere you look. I've pulled it all apart and detailed it. Like I said, I spent 2 days doing this. Now I'll fire it up for you. I have done an Instagram video with it running, but I know you want to hear it. So key on. The fuel has got the original fuel tap, which is like on a vacuum, so when the engine starts it will just suck in the fuel, and it has got 3 filters there, 1 per pot, so it's lovely. There's the electric fan for the cooling. Everywhere you look, it's just nice. I keep saying that, I'm sorry, but look at that. Right, so the ignition's on. Hasn't been fired at all today. So that is the choke there, so I'll put that on. Let's fire it up. How's that? A nice bit of blue smoke. Choke off now. Should run. Oh, it's ticking over beautiful. Oh yeah. grass heaven. Oh, this is going to be great fun in the spring. Well, it is spring, but as soon as we get some dry roads, I should be giving this a bit of thrashing. Yeah, that's sweet. Very sweet indeed. Wow, love it. Everything works on this as well. The indicators, the lights, the lot. Great bike. Lovely. Brilliant, right. Please like and subscribe, as there's going to be many more to follow. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Cheers now.